So I've been wanting to create AI motivational videos for quite some time now, but every voiceover I tried either sounds robotic or lifeless.
10 rules to become dangerous. This could be the most important video you could ever witness.
You see what I mean? That's not going to motivate anyone. Maybe a robot vacuum or something. But then after playing around with ChatGPT's new advanced voice capabilities.
Yeah, but ChatGPT, I want you to say it from the heart.
Life is a journey filled with unexpected twists.
It got me thinking, what if ChatGPT could be the voice behind my AI motivational videos? But of course, that's only one piece of the puzzle. To pull this off, we're going to need some visuals, some music to go with it, and a whole lot more. Can I create the ultimate AI motivational video using only AI tools? Let's find out.
All right, ChatGPT, what we're going to do, you're going to act as my motivational speaker. I want you to curate, and I also want you to read out a script, a motivational script.
With a little tweaking, I made sure that the delivery had enough motion to match the message. Now with the voiceover in place, it was now time to generate the music. Now to keep everything fully AI generated, I use Suno AI to create an uplifting track that matches the energy of the voiceover. Once I had the track, it was now time to move on to the final step, creating the visuals. Now, if you've watched any motivational video, you'll always see people doing something that matches what's being said in the actual script, whether it's climbing a mountain, running, or overcoming an obstacle. So using the script, I instructed ChatGPT to give me individual shot prompts. I then grabbed those prompts and provided it to the image generator that has me as a trained model and started generating each shot. Now we have to turn each one of these images into a video. So we'll be using Kling AI as our video generator. Now we throw everything into a video editor and rinse and repeat the process until you're happy with the outcome. Anyway, here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Life is full of challenges. At times, it feels like we're carrying the weight of the world on our shoulders. But it's in these moments of struggle that our true character is forged. Embrace these challenges, for they are the stepping stones to your growth. As you push through, feel your strength building like a wave gaining momentum. Each small victory fuels the fire within you, propelling you toward your goals. You're climbing higher, reaching further with each step forward. And then you hit that peak, that moment of triumph when you realize just how far you've come. Take it in. This is the reward for your perseverance, your dedication. But life doesn't stop here. There will be dips, moments when you feel like you're sliding back down. And that's okay. It's all part of the journey. Take a breath, regroup, and remember why you started. Use these moments to reflect on how far you've come and prepare for the next climb.